Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what is in the bag. Well, we have a little thing and we have a cross stitch. All right, let's put this over here for right this second. Now this comes from DPClubs, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have a discount code, I will put those right in here. So let's start on top with the small bag. How's that? I may want to save that. Do I? Oh, it will open. I didn't think it was going to open. Let's get rid of the scissors before we drop them on our foot or something. You know. Stuff happens with Laura. Stuff happens. Get it out of here. All right. Well, this is a little, it's an L. And it's a keychain, so it has the key thing. Or the little clasp thing. But yeah, I just thought they were kind of pretty. They come in all different, you know, letters. So I guess you only do this on one side. Oh, wait. Well, no, just one-sided. Yep, it doesn't come off there. But let's open this up. It's very sticky. So that, it's pretty. I thought it was nice. Now, this was $2.99. So you only have to do one side. I don't see that it has any way to open that. All right. So we're going to go with its one side. It does come with a boat wax and a pin and a piece of plastic. Not sure what that's for, but it does have a clasp thing there. I'm not seeing any kind of a chain thing, so I don't, let's take this out one hot moment, okay? Just go with it, right? When in doubt, just go with it. I don't know how. That does not come undone. So I guess you just do it like that. There you go. And then you can add it to whatever you want to. I was like, is that going to fit? I thought maybe you had to, you know, pry these apart like you were making jewelry, but no. So we'll just keep it on there for the time being. So I thought for $3, it's not bad at all. And I didn't know it's going to be this big at all. So let's see what colors we have. Well, you can basically tell the colors here from what's there. So we have a total of, it's been a hot moment, but 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 colors. We'll start at this end. So we have kind of a light blue. We have a vivid purple. Palish pink. Evidently we have, no, those are supposed to be two different colors. So if you can tell the difference, you're doing better than me. Then we have kind of a amber color, pale green, pale purple. We have some clear ones, if you will. We have marquees that are kind of iridescent. We have marquees in pink. And we have bigger iridescent marquees. So, yeah. And I'll show you something here in a minute. Oh, of course, you're just not going to wrap up. We're going to put that all back in there, just so we don't lose it. But on here, you have your letters And it shows where the big ones go and the littler ones. So, very nice. Very nice. So, this is just a quick little project thing. You know, you can do in an afternoon, for sure. But, you know, just take your time. I may purchase some of these personally and get one for everybody. So, I don't know. We'll see how that all works out. So that's that thing. Now we have a cross stitch. And this is 62 by 45, 1779. And it's 14 count Joy Sunday. And it's called Garden Courtyard. But I thought this was just absolutely beautiful. Gee, Manaply, Joy Sunday. Thought it was sealed shut, for crying out loud. Some days. Well, at least you know nothing's going to escape it. Beautiful Joy Sunday bag, though. I love how they have the instructions on the back. If you've never done cross stitch. Whoa, my bad. Let's take a look at the picture. Now, I can't tell from this picture if we have back stitching or not. So, yeah, I just thought it was beautiful. Got a lovely little courtyard. You got a cat sitting here. Got a bird feeder and some ducks over here. Even a birdhouse. We got a flag going. And you have a nice fire that you can sit around and just chat. And it looks like a little, I don't know if it's a cottage or if it's the potting shed. Your guess is as good as mine. Let's take a look at the paper pattern. Oh yeah, there's going to be back stitching. It just didn't show. So let's see. We have a total of 56 colors. You only have full stitch and back stitch. Awesome. I can do that. The top key goes to the paper pattern. The bottom one goes to the canvas. So you have 3 colors in back stitch here, so that's not too horribly bad. Just beautiful pattern. You can see where all the back stitching is. You got to bring those ducks out and whatever the heck that is. I'm not real sure. The cat, you know, he's still nondescript over here. Looks like you got a bucket and a broom. Let's see here. Now, they did divide that up into 8 pages. It's 300 wide by 205 stitches. Very nice. So, you just look. Hold, please. So, for section 8, you would go, your numbers are right here at the bottom. So, you would go to page 8, and that would be this section right in here. And so on and so on. Let me just set that over there for a second. But very nicely done, very easy to see. This is a full coverage as far as I can tell. So, very nice. Now, these symbols are going to be different than what is on the canvas, and you can see that down here. But, you know, I haven't had a problem with the Joy Sunday kit as far as being able to see what the symbol is or find it. You know, if I do have a problem on the canvas, I haven't had a problem looking on the paper pattern to find out what is what. But just lovely. Just lovely. Of the colors, we have no 310. Anything else we know? No 550 purple. No 823. We have 825. No 939. We have 3371, which is a dark brown. And we have that pewter color of 3799. So, very nice. And we're using B5200 for white. So, very nice. Let's take a look at the colors. We have 2 thread cards. Get them undone here. Does come with 2 needles. And it's one of those nice thread cards. You can see all the DMC numbers and everything, and how many strands you have. Beautiful blue. It's kind of a mulberry-ish color. I don't know. It's not purple, and it's not red violet or anything like that. There is your 3371 and your 3799. And on this side, we have more blues, browns, greens. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And on this side, we have tans and browns, kind of a pale blue, kind of a muted rose color, some gold, some more blue. And on this side, we have red. We have kind of a brick color, some purple, just a wide array of colors. Just gorgeous, and there's a lot of thread there. This is scaring me. You know, when you get this much thread for a 14 count, it's like, okie dokie. Moving on. Oh my goodness, what have we done? Yeah, let's take a look at that canvas. Canvas is nice and lightweight and thin. I like that. I don't like that big heavy duty canvas. Oh my goodness gracious. It's going to be a hot moment. It does have the product number here at the top and the name of the kit. Nice, big, huge key. It has not been wet. Just lovely key. You're able to see the symbols, the thread card number, and the DMC numbers. And then down here on this corner, you have your three, what do you call it, back stitch colors. But this is very, very nice. And it's big. I don't see a lot of confetti. You know, when you get to trees and all that, yeah, maybe. But it looks like everything is in lines. So it's not too horrible. And what did I say there was? 68. I can't read it sideways. 58 colors. Yep. So it should be pretty detailed. And it's nice that you can just start, say, with that orange and just work around and then come back and do the next color. I like that. It's so much easier on the eye to see. But very nice. Let's see if we can measure this. It is serged all the way around, before I forget that part, which is always typical Joy Sunday. 62 centimeters, or almost 24.5 inches by 45.5 inches, or, oh, I'd say almost 18 inches. So it's about the whole canvas is like 18 by 24, and the actual is 37.5 centimeters, or 14 3/4 inches by, trying to get it there, 54 centimeters, maybe a tad over that, or 21 1/4 inches. So very nice size. I really like this. So we'll see how the details and everything work out. I don't even know where I would begin. You know, it'll be a thing. It will be a thing. Let me get that picture again. So we got trees over there. This is the birdhouse. And up in here is the bird bath. I'm not seeing the ducks, or they must be in this mess here somewhere. But I like the little gate thing around here. It's very nice. I just love this. It's just, yeah, very, very sweet looking and calming, and looks like easy stitching. Now, DPClubs has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And let's see. I think I have a 15% discount code. I'm pretty sure with them. So that is nice. Feel free to use it if you'd like. I'm sure that they have beaded cross stitch by now. So do check them out. Thank you, DPClubs, for this beautiful cross stitch and the lovely, cute little diamond painting thing. Diamond painting craft. I love it. Thank you so much. And thank you all for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.